Imagine a world where a victim's cry for justice is met with silence and indifference. A world where those sworn to protect are the ones who inflict the worst harm. This is not a story from a distant past or a fictional tale, but a true incident that happened in India in 1972. Today, we are diving deep into the Mathura rape case, a case that shook the nation and brought about significant changes in our laws. The Mathura rape case began on the night of March 26, 1972. Mathura, a young tribal girl, was taken to the Desai Ganj police station in Maharashtra. What should have been a place of safety turned into a nightmare when two policemen, Tukaram and Ganpat, raped her. What happened next was even more shocking. The Sessions Court acquitted the policemen, stating there was no evidence of resistance. But the story doesn't end there. The case was appealed, and the Bombay High Court took a stand. They overturned the Sessions Court's decision and sentenced the policemen to imprisonment. It seemed like justice was finally served. But justice can be a tricky thing. The case reached the Supreme Court, and in a shocking twist, the verdict was overturned once again. The Supreme Court acquitted the policemen, stating that Mathura had given her consent. This verdict caused an uproar. People across the nation were outraged. Activists and women's rights groups protested vehemently. They argued that the verdict ignored the power dynamics and the circumstances under which the so-called consent was given. The Mathura case became a catalyst for change. The widespread protests led to significant amendments in India's rape laws. In 1983, the Criminal Law Amendment Act was passed. It included important changes like the definition of custodial rape and the shifting of the burden of proof to the accused. The Mathura rape case was more than just a court case. It was a turning point for women's rights in India. It highlighted the need for a legal system that protects the vulnerable and holds the powerful accountable. Today, as we remember Mathura and her fight for justice, we must continue to strive for a society where no one has to suffer in silence. A society where justice is not just a word, but a reality for all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such stories that matter.